what did you feel before workshop?
Before the workshop, I didn't know anything about the IT sector. After joining here, I came to know about the IT sector, which build up my career and useful for me a lot.
Yeah, okay. After workshop, which knowledge are you gained from Techqflow software?
After the workshop, I gained about the IT sector, about like roles, domains, applications, and SDLC, STLC, and etc. About it.
Are you completed your workshop? What your experience with your workshop? How can you share your experience to your audience?
Actually, it is very useful to, especially for freshers. It gives a lot of knowledge. Please join here, and it will say about IT sector, and have to came to know about the IT.
Yeah, yeah. You can refer your friends your experience.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. How can you are expecting the score out of
Rating.
yeah, perfect.
Out of
For 5, how you can expect it?
out of 5, I'll give 5 out of 5. Thank you, sir.